Big up Jamaica, happy Pride. I'm Rob,
And I'm Michael.
and we love Jamaica. Well, I do. I was married. I had my honeymoon there in Montego Bay. Visited Dunn's River, saw the Green Grotto, had all the lovely food. Love,
Jamaican patties are great.
yeah, and we love obviously jerk chicken. We love Jamaica, and we'd
And a
love to
good and a
visit.
good rum punch.
And we had a rum cake today.
Hmm.
So we're looking forward to visiting another day soon, and I would love to come back. Obviously, when it's a bit easier for us. We've been together for 8 years. I was married to a woman before, but now I have been with Michael and living my true life. And I hope, and I just wish all gay Jamaicans happy Pride Month. And we are always thinking about you. We love Morris, and we think a lot about Jamaica. So, happy
Happy
Pride.
Pride.
Ah. Oh.